just family and fans all over the world. I'm making this disclaimer for Wago Attire Motors. On or about April or May 2023, I was called to be an ambassador for one Wago Attire Motors, which I accepted just to promote enterprise and growth in business. But it has been a checkered history of complaints from members of the public and so on. And the complaints have become so much that I need to make this video to exonerate myself and remove myself from this ambassadorship. Many people I have connected, especially Nana's sister. Luckily, she got her refund after crying all over the internet for her money to be refunded due to the non-performance of Wago Attire Motors. And also the Chidima story in America, and many people. I've also found out that even many of the ambassadors have pulled out on their own. But this is so that nobody gets me acquainted or getting me to be part of the process by which this man and his company does their business. I remember exclusively a top actor in Nigeria called me to salute me on the ambassadorship. And by this medium, excluding myself from the ambassadorship because it is not what we were told. In fact, it is so bad right now that the ambassadors who were promised cars to ease their business with Wago Attire Motors 3 months after signing the ambassadorship, this is the 7th or 8 months after, that was not honored. If a man cannot even honor his promise to his ambassadors, how can he honor it to the members of the public? And by this video, disclaiming that I'm not part of the Wago Attire ambassadorship anymore. Thank you very much. Anybody who does business saying that he saw me in the videos as an authenticity is doing so at his or her own risk. Thank you very much.
And because Nayoku sacrifice, I respect you a lot as elder. I respect you, but I always anyone you could say, Ndi Igbo I don't know, all when you marry Ibezie, you know you're a man of distinguish, a man of honor. But I'm over and kind of Wago Attire and Nayoku sacrifice. Edaranka, oha. Agameji maka na enyi nwa mara mma jere cha obedori. Agameji maka na help upcomers, na upcoming content creators and na help na industry. Agameji maka na ime mistake na you sacrifice. Mama, let me tell you, sir. Video I made odroma, yes. Even you say odroma, I take a video Kongo. Libya made because they be the motor on the be motor them. Can come out for number one. And they went ups and down a business. That is one. Number two, with a lot of Wago Attire Motors page. Now Facebook, not one, not two, not three, not four. And all those fake pages, they are using their fake pages to scam a lot of people. I want one need their way. Kanayo, chairman. A lot of people make a fake page when I scam on them matter one. Two, inside the ambassadorship, ambassadorial, whatever. As soon as 3 months time, now they build a motor. Okay, 3 months, got 7 months. Chairman is cool down car for go. Because now he made a time of speed. Kanayo, yes. I can be able to get who ever no matter but I'm going to go. It is going to address now. I was in the child, the supposed to go. Chairman, sir, are you aware? Now, Emmy got about to put out a navy. Mother, a big, each rush, maybe the image, maybe big motor, and therefore the moments and the rate. You know, the ambassadorship, whatever. In their way, Namuta, I be and my way, I kill you, I got the motor on and nail it. And in their way, no January 3rd, carry a big motor over half again, which I saw your name. After the render motor and a name that they cool me. Abarafage, Bafo Kurora, Bafo IB, Bawafa Adon, Bawafa Mother, the ambassadors. In their way, Nandela Moto Harbor, that's even your own, and the motor can be expensive, yes, so big, you could do it cheap. My Russia, I didn't make video. You don't Russia, jeme video. All the very, very bad. You know the rush, jeme video. Because na moto ga badabero. Ichefu na January 3rd, bụ ụbọchị akara aka na-ebi onye na moto, including you. Well, onye ji aka esepụ onwe ya ọnụ n'ara masị na mmadụ ụpụrụ azụ n'ara. Nwa gwata ahịa biko abụ m onye ụgbọ bụrụ Nnewi South. Ama ya business. Ebe ọ bụ na ka a na-ahụ okara ahịa ejigo aka ekwụpụ onwe ya n'ọkụ moto ahịa igotere ịkpọrọ afọ doo biko on January 3rd bụ izie m dat moto ahụ. Moto ahụ ịkpọrọ afa ka a na-ahụ okara ahịa January 3rd bụ izie m dị moto. Yes. Ebe ọ bụ na ijiri aka gị wepụ onwe gị n'ala eze mma nọchizi anya gị ka a na-ahụ okara because na ihe vidiyo imere dị very very bad. Minnesota border between America and Canada, the only state where a common boundary with Canada. One got is Minnesota, drive to Manitoba, na Canada, Biabu moto, ego moto scraps, moto accidental. Man non-accidental according to those supply motor. A way see Manitoba na Canada. Drive where with that trailer. Eji moto Bunai Minnesota where ship down to Nigeria. Do you know how many months they take? Ema easy. You see Minnesota na America. We moto to Nigeria. We clear aya. Ndene be business motor how they had because now all the local came before deliver and them money. And when 70% of testimonies, 80% of testimonies, and we're going to shortcomings now, only the brother to cool or down. Obronya Mama or one of them. One got I have a name, I'm a real on about all every year. Who made it wake up mother not free. Because the image is there already. So one day, okay, can I do because Imaroke speed. Another speed I have now. I am here to replace you, chap. Muta hego go muta akpafa with Uncle IB. Nke Uncle IB muta utakola. Manke anyị don. Awe na base ebe na nke gwuru ora. Ford. On nke buzo bata e clear ya. E clear muta adịghị easy. Mana ebe go speed na sana because of motor. Onwe any tangible excuse. Not because of the big motor on time. And na na-ekwu gosi okwu ọjọọ. Ọ bụrụ na company ọzọ chọrọ ịsa na kwuo na computer side all the well understandable that they say in the moment and rate. How about grammar guy when has grammar I am? Oh, men call my eme nke ọjọọ ga. I can see me. They would.